Well, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced us to take hand washing more seriously. That's if we want to curb the spread of this virus. Well, today is Global Handwashing Day. It's dedicated to increasing awareness and understanding of the importance of washing one's hands with soap. Hand washing is an effective and affordable way to prevent diseases and save lives. Let's chat some more about this now with National Health Laboratory Service Pathologist, Dr. Susan Louw. Dr. Louw, good morning and thanks so much for your time. Well, I suppose COVID-19 has kind of done the job for us in terms of getting the message out there. I don't think we focused as much on hand washing, previously as we've done over the past 6 months.
Yes, I agree. Thank you. Good morning to everybody on Global Hand Washing Day. Yeah, let's just talk about this very important subject for a moment.
And do you think that South Africans in particular have actually come to the party and have actually done what's needed of them, especially in this time?
I never think enough can be done as far as the practice of good hygiene measures are concerned. And it's not natural for us to wash our hands if there is no obvious dirt on our hands. So I don't think that we can ever overemphasize this important measure to ensure healthy living.
How high up on our list of priorities, Doc, do we as South Africans actually put something like this? I mean, we know we're taught about it when we're in primary school. As we grow up, we tend to kind of, slack off a little bit. Are we doing enough to actually educate, especially from a very young age, when it comes to things that are just very basic, things we take for granted?
Yeah, I always say your mum was right when she told you to wash your hands before you eat, but we need to be reminded regularly. Surveys and studies have pointed out and confirmed that hand washing is not being performed regularly. I mean, even we're talking about as low as 5% of people that are regularly washing their hands. So definitely we need to re-emphasize, we need to continue education, we need to have campaigns such as the campaign that's run today to ensure that this very simple but effective measure continuously and ongoing practice being practiced on an ongoing basis.
Well, it's very easy, I suppose, for those of us who have running water in our homes, those of us who can afford to buy a bar of soap, Doc. But we know there are millions in this country who, let alone being able to afford that soap, basically don't even have access to the water to be able to do the basics.
And I agree, and that is definitely an ongoing project because running clean water is essential for healthy living. But thank goodness that we do also have companies, buy-in from companies such as Dettol with hand washing stations, foot pumps, containers of clean water. We have organizations such as the WHO that are assisting because this is such a simple way of ensuring and improving the health of the population.
And very quickly for us, Doc, are we in danger of becoming an OCD sort of a species at the moment? Because we've been told from a very young age also that some germs are good for you. Is it possible that they're either too over-sanitized and be too clean?
I understand there's a lot of studies that also show that clean living can increase, for example, autoimmune disease processes. But we live in Africa. We are surrounded by unfriendly bacteria, unfriendly germs, and being overcleaning, I don't think we're in danger of that at all at the moment.